We are pleased to show you 2021 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, daytime running lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one-trip odometer, compass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.